Hi, Akron After School Summer Kids. So for our picture today, you're going to come over here to this slide and you're going to have a white slide here. If there's not an open slide, then you can press the plus button. So you're going to go to an empty slide. You're going to come here to the insert image and you're going to press camera. And when you come up to the camera, you're going to put your photo in a little camera space. You're going to hit the yellow button. You're going to press insert like this. You're going to put a little text box, which is right here, and you're going to write your name. So remember, this is where you get to show your art of a time that you may have accidentally broken something, or a time that you can create of a time that you broke something. So go ahead and enjoy your activity. Have fun, guys. Bye.